everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to DIY Fashion and Beauty 05. Welcome back again. Today's tutorial is all about skincare. We're talking about skin today. I'm going to talk about one of the oil I use on my skin. I'm going to DIY this for you today. This is papaya oil. Yeah, papaya oil. So it's one of the oil I use on my skin. So I'm gonna show you how I DIY this. It moisturizes your skin, it gives you even skin tone, and it's an anti-aging oil as well, and it exfoliates your skin as well. It's an anti-aging oil. You're not over 30, you need to start using anti-aging cream because they want to age on time. Don't mind me, guys. It's a natural oil as well that lightens up your skin for you want to like make your skin a bit more brighter, not too much, but just good to go and give you a glow. It's glow up your skin as well. So if you want me to share more of my skincare routine, skincare product, skincare DIY, just leave a comment for me and let me know, and I'm gonna DIY them for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, share my video with family and friends, and hit on the notification bell so that whenever I upload my video, you're gonna get a notification, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Let's get started with this. The number one ingredient is papaya. You're gonna need extra virgin olive oil and your grater. So I'm going to peel up the papaya skin and I'm going to grate it. Yes, so that's what I'm going to do. So I have peeled up the papaya skin and I grate the papaya in a bowl. So I'm going to grate the papaya just like that. The papaya is very soft, so you can just use your hand. So why do I measure 1.5 cups of extra virgin olive oil? I measure 1.5 cups of extra virgin olive oil. That spoon is 1 cup. Then I measure 1.5 cups of extra virgin olive oil. So that is 1 cup. Put it in a pan, and that is half. Then I put that in a pan and I heat up the pan a bit. I make it hot, the oil hot. Then I put 2 cups of papaya, even with the juice. 2 cups of papaya. So, and I leave it to cook like that. It's like you're gonna fry it as if you're frying stew. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look first. Then later on it's gonna come like this, and you can see the oil is coming out. It's gonna take up to 25 minutes to 30 minutes to come out like this. So you're just gonna leave it to fry like that. So when the papaya is floating down, means your papaya oil is ready. So after that, you just turn off the heat and put it down and let it cool down. So when the papaya is cooled down, when the oil is cooled down, then you get yourself a match sieve or anything just to sieve it and take the shaft out, and that is it. You're just gonna squeeze it like that and take the remaining oil out. It's cooled down. When I'm doing this, it's cooled down already. So I turn it into my bottle just like that. Yeah, just to keep it into my bottle. Then I'll look for a clean bottle just to turn it like that. And there you have it, your papaya oil. You can add it with your cream, with your soap. Thank you all for watching, and catch you up in my next video. Bye.